Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can write a movie script using AI. So the process is very easy, you just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video. Let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all you have to click the link in my description box. Once you click the link in my description box, you're going to enter this interface and you can easily access it for free. So let's get started. You can see there's this dashboard option. You just have to come to your dashboard, and then what you have to do is that you have to scroll a little bit down, and you can see there are these options: all, email, copywriting, social media, SEO. What you have to choose is social media, and here you can see there's this command mode. You have to click this command mode. After you click this command mode, you can see that it brings me to this interface where I have to give a prompt or command. So you have to write the title or the bullet points or anything that you have related your script that you want, how you want it to be. So what you want to do is that you have to write a command over here. I'm just going to copy the same one. Doing physical activities every day. Doing physical activities, and then you have to click generate. Once you click generate, then you can see there's this output that is shown to me. You can write any script by using this tutorial. So you just have to write over here the title related to your script and all the things that you want to be in your script. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.